Assalamu alaikum, friends. As you know, there is some updation about FTA payments. Before we was doing through another channel, now we will do the payments through Magnati Payment Gateway. This will be effective from 30th October 2020. The Federal Tax Authority FT has replaced e-Dirham Payment Gateway with a new digital payment gateway Magnati in association with the First Abu Dhabi Bank. A payment can be now made through e-services portal under a new payment gateway, Magnati, using Visa and Mastercards, debit cards, prepaid cards. It perceived from a FTA portal that the services charged of Magnati to make the payment may around 0.68% plus applicable VAT. Now this is very important to see. Now the charges by the Magnati will be 0.68% plus VAT if applicable. The transaction limit of Magnati Pay will be 1 million dirham, including the charges by the Magnati payment gateway. Apart from the above, taxpayer would continue to be able to settle their tax liability using the existing alternative listed below as Jiban generated international bank account number through banks or exchange houses or through bank transfer local international transfers. Like before we are doing payment through exchange houses or bank transfer, that will still be go ahead. Further, with the launch of Emara tax by FTA, which is expected soon, a significant enhancement of generating a unique reference number when making a payment through Jiban would be introduced to ensure that the payment are correctly allocated against your selected liabilities. There are 6 steps how through which you can make a payment. Let's explain one by one. Since net banking, local transfer may be the most preferred method of payments by most taxpayers, we have highlighted the process of the same below. First step, log in to the company's registered e-portal services. Then, for the transfer of funds using online banking, log in to your bank account and add FT as a beneficiary using Jivan number and FTA details. In second step, you have to do like beneficiary name should be Federal Tax Authority, followed by your TRN number, address Ministry of Finance, 3A Street, Dubai, UAE. Swift code will be used as we are using before E868AE XX, and purpose of payment will be the tax. Beneficiary IBAN number will be your Jiban number. TRN will be your TRN number. Okay, that we have to specify. Beneficiary name we will select Federal Tax Authority followed by your TRN number. In the account number we will put the Jiban number of our company, and we will go to the fund transfer for domestic transfer section in the net banking. From there we can do the transfer. And at the step 4, we will enter the amount. At the step 5, Jiban will be validated and transaction will be processed accordingly. And payment should be initiated as a local bank transfer. In step 6, we will go to the My Payments tab. Once you complete the payment, log into the e-services portal and go to My Payment tab to check that transaction has been reflected under the transaction history or not. In case you would be making the payment for the first time, we recommend adding the beneficiary and transferring a nominal amount well in advance to ensure a smooth transfer and to avoid a last minute hustles. Like this, there is now just introduction of Magnati. Through that, you can make the payments. Their charges will be 0.68% only plus VAT. Before we are using e-Dirham, now we will use Magnati Payment Gateway through with the association with the First Abu Dhabi Bank, FAB Bank. Rest all the payment procedure will be the same as we are doing We can make payments to the bank's exchange houses, bank transfer, local transfer, or international transfer. We can do that. We have to log in our company e-portal. From there, we will get our GBAN number. Then we will log into our net banking account, and there we will add a beneficiary of our account. Our beneficiary name will be our Federal Tax Authority, followed by our TRN number, and IBAN number. Account number will be our GBAN number, which we get in step 1. Then we will transfer the funds as a domestic, and we will enter the amount. GBAN will be validated and payment will be processed. Then we will log into our e-portal. Then we will go to the payment gateway, my payment tab. Then there we will check the payment history. Thank you very much, friends. This is the end of this topic, FTA payment update. This was a recent update, so I thought I should share with you. Friends, like, share, and subscribe my channel. It's motivate us for making more and more videos on latest updates. Thank you so much, everyone.